What's up? On our way to Frawley's Gym. Basketball muna. Sama natin yung mga healthy friends natin. See you later. Grabe rin talaga yung M4 eh, no? Lapad, tangina. One day. Yan ay papalit natin. Sheesh! Bogi. Hey man, am I supposed to leave anything to you? Go straight. Thanks, man. Kuya. Is that? Two games. Solid game.
The mom was little. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Oo, na. Pag malapit ang umalis, ayaw na.
This is 6Z F80 M4.
My car is just sitting.
Sarap ng tatlong laro. Nakalaro pa natin yung Star Magic taga-ABS, yung Anthony. I think he's like Shuvi's boyfriend or something. I don't know. He played well too. He got his dad and his friend. Ito kaya masarap kainin. Pwede na. Tuyo na ba? Tuyo na? Hindi pa. Check. Tuyo na tong side na to. Ito na lang hindi. A little bit more. May mga nadagdag na tayo dito sa project car natin. So to, carbon, lodi, and some carbon fibers, flarings. Ito ng panahon ngayon, ang init oh. Init na malamig. So dinikit ko na dito. So plano ko mamaya mag Angeles Crest. So mountain like drive yun. Baga parang Tagaytay sa atin. Zigzag. It's best to go like around 10 to 12, 10 to 1 a.m. Andun daw yung mga mostly nagpo-pull up yung mga supercars. Yung mga gusto lang mag-cruise. Cruising. See you guys later. Peace.